If you want Google Chrome to always open in incognito mode, this quick tutorial is going to show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. This is a really handy trick if you want a more private browsing setup, or if you just prefer Chrome to launch without saving your browsing history every time. And if you find this helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. All right, let's jump right in. First, go to your desktop and find your Google Chrome shortcut. This is the icon you normally double-click to open Chrome. Once you've located it, right-click on the shortcut and choose Properties from the menu. This will open the Settings window for that shortcut. Inside the Properties window, look at the top and click on the Shortcut tab. This is where you can edit how the program launches when you open it from the shortcut. Now locate the Target field. You should see a file path that ends with something like chrome.exe. This next part is very important. Click once at the very end of that path, after the closing quote if there is one. Then press your spacebar one time. After that, type --incognito. So the target line should now tell Chrome to open directly in incognito mode every time you use the shortcut. Take a second to double check that you typed it correctly. Make sure there is a space before the --incognito command, because without that space, it may not work properly. Once everything looks good, click Apply, and then click OK to save your changes. Now close the Properties window and test it out by opening Chrome from that same shortcut. If everything was done correctly, Google Chrome should launch in incognito mode automatically. And that's it. You've now set up Google Chrome to open in incognito mode automatically using a simple shortcut edit. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tech tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.